So my name is Dr. Shikoh Gitau. I'm the CEO of Qhala. Qhala is a digital innovation lab. We are headquartered in Nairobi and DC, and our goal is to catalyze Africa's digital future. So we have presence across the continent. We work with governments, donor organizations, private sector, and startups to build an AI and digital ecosystem on the African continent. I am so sad that Emerging Valley has been happening for 8 years and only heard of it for the first time last year. Yeah, when we started working very closely with French Tech in Nairobi. So we heard about it. It's a very nice ecosystem builder because we have a similar event that we do in Nairobi and San Francisco called Silicon Exchange, where it's about cross-pollinating of innovation ecosystems, because innovation does not work in a silo. So different people have to come together, different organizations, but also different ecosystems have to come together to have this magic that we call innovation happening. And we're solving problems for the globe, not just for our small silos. And that's, for me, emerging markets is like the amount of people I've met just between yesterday and today have been amazing. We are cooking something in Togo, in Morocco, in all these places, and I'm really excited about we're able to reach out to Francophone Africa, even from some of our work that we are doing. I love this morning, the session, the opening session with the mayor and the minister, and I've read about some of what President Macron has talked about this region as being a key innovation leader in France. So it is already catalyzing the ecosystem in Europe. But for it to have the impact to the world, you need to be able to connect with other ecosystem. Yeah. So I love that they're connecting to Egypt, Morocco, I saw there's a huge representation from Francophone West Africa and the Mediterranean speaking, French speaking part. And it's nice to see that some of us, I've seen a couple of people from Nigeria, a couple of people from South Africa, and us from Kenya coming together. And hopefully this will be able to be a beam of light to everyone else as they are building their own startups. We love some of the projects like Plug and Play. I love it. Soft Landing, I loved it. And I'm thinking, how do we bring some of that learning back home so that we can be able to get more founders being able to export to Africa and Africa exporting to Europe. Again, the cross-pollinating of the different ecosystem, and Marcel being the anchor to all of that, because Paris is all very touristic, but here it's let's get work done, let's get innovation work done. What I love about here is the idea of having different I don't know, you call them states, adapting different countries. I love that they adapted Kenya during the Olympics. What if they could adapt Kenya for the jobs or for innovation or for funding, or adapted Rwanda for something different, or adapted Nigeria for something different? And then we are cross-pollinating all this innovation ecosystem with this being an anchor, because you've learned how to do it and do it well.